Namaste. My name is Deepak Naik.
Namaste. My name is Shweta Naik.
And we are the founders of the Yoga House Mangalore.
The Yoga House Mangalore is a yoga center located in Maryhill area, which is in Mangalore city, Karnataka state. We offer online and offline yoga services along with sound healing meditations with Himalayan singing bowls. We conduct yoga therapy sessions for weight loss, general fitness, flexibility, and pain management. We also offer private home tuitions for ladies in Mangalore who cannot travel to our center. We are specialized in customizing yoga asanas, pranayam, and meditations according to the need of an individual, which means we develop a set of yoga practices after understanding the problem, the need of a person. We believe every person is unique and they need personal attention to produce best results in fastest way possible. For example, if a person has low back pain and is looking for yoga sessions to reduce weight, then that person should first fix the lower back problem. Otherwise, that person will further damage the lower spine, as most of the weight reduction set of exercises put a lot of pressure in lower back area. Keeping these factors in mind, we decided to focus on giving individual attention and do personal sessions. We also offer yoga therapy for individuals who are dealing with chronic anxiety and depression. We use yoga props like yoga chair, yoga belt, bolster, yoga blocks, as they help to reduce pain, achieve right postures, improve flexibility, and maintain balance. We also do sound healing with Himalayan singing bowls for mental and emotional fitness. This is an excellent therapy for all those who have chronic anxiety, stress, and sleep issues. It is highly recommended for all those individuals who are trying to recover from a disease post-infection or surgery. A good sleep and a positive mindset is very important to achieve perfect health, and sound therapy helps to achieve that state. So if you're interested to practice yoga sessions with us, you can do a trial session, understand the flow, and experience the benefits. Feel free to call us on the numbers given on the screen. And do visit our website and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.